The grinding wheel speed calculator determines the required RPM for your grinding wheel based on diameter and desired surface feet per minute. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have wheel diameter in inches, which accepts any value from 0.1 inches and up. Second is desired SFM, your target surface feet per minute, with a minimum value of 1. These two inputs are all you need to calculate your grinding speed. Here's a practical example. I'll enter 10 inches for the wheel diameter and 10 for the desired SFM. After clicking Calculate Grinding Speed, the calculator gives us two critical results. The calculated RPM shows 4, meaning your grinding wheel needs to spin at just 4 RPM to achieve 10 surface feet per minute with a 10-inch diameter wheel. The max safe RPM displays 3000, which represents the maximum safe rotational speed for this wheel size. Notice how our calculated 4 RPM is well within the safe operating range of 3000 RPM, ensuring both precision and safety in your grinding operation. This calculator simplifies grinding wheel speed calculations for any engineering application. Find the link in the description below.